Hey y'all, we're here at Highland Terrace in Columbus, Georgia. This is a 55 and up community in a great location. This community features some amazing amenities such as a fitness center, a clubhouse, and a community room. Today, we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look.
Come on in. Right when you walk in, there's the fully equipped kitchen, the laundry room with washer and dryer hookups, the dining room, and the spacious living room. This gorgeous plank flooring is found throughout the unit. Outside, there's a balcony with a storage closet. Back inside, right off the living space, there's a coat closet, a bathroom with built-in shelves, and the first bedroom, which features a ceiling fan and a closet. The primary bedroom has a large closet and an ensuite bathroom. Each building has a laundry room, a community room, and an outdoor seating area. Inside the clubhouse, you'll find a community kitchen, a business center, and a modern fitness center. Click the link below to book your tour today.